Is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, now you are visible.
Okay, fine. So now we are going to start without wasting time. Okay, show me your homework one by one. I don't want to waste the time. I will just call the names. Yes. So starting with Jalak Kokar. Yes, Jalak Kokar. Show me your homework. I will call only 2 times. If you don't show and if you don't reply, monitor will directly write the name.
Hello, sir. Sir, I am audible.
Yes, beta. Yes, beta.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर कल जो आपने नेम्स बोले थे ना वो मैंने कल आपको सेंड किए थे.
Yes, beta. I have got that. I will call you later and I will confirm. Okay, beta. Sneha.
ओके सर. ओके सर.
Okay. Now let's continue with the
Sir,
checking of homework.
Sir, I am visible.
You were visible, beta. Now you are not visible. Switch off and
Sir,
switch on
I
once
have.
again.
Okay, sir.
Once again, switch off
Sir.
and switch on.
Sir, I done. I am visible or not?
No, beta. Now you are not visible.
Sir, may I leave and join again one time?
Yes, of course, beta. Leave and join. By that time, I will ask some other students. Okay. When you come, when you reach, they tell me. Okay. Now let's go with Arzu Bhattasana. Arzu Bhattasana. Beta, make it fast. Don't waste time. Show the homework. 2-3 times only I will call. Then directly monitor will write the name. And you have to reply in the chat box if it is not possible with the mic. Yes. Arzu Bhattasana. Arzu. Hello, Arzu Bhattasana. Okay, Arzu is not replying.
Sir, may I show?
Yes. Arzu is not replying. Okay.
Sir.
Yes,
सर.
Trip. Wait. Yes, beta.
सर कल भी उसने नहीं दिखाया था.
Yes. Then write the name. Write the name. Tripti, show your homework. Tripti Singh, show the homework, beta. Fast. I don't have time to waste. Fast. Yes, make it fast.
Sir, homework is only reading.
No, beta, not only reading. I told you, completing the worksheet is a common homework for everyone. That you have to do, beta. If I don't say, still you have to do that. That is a common homework. Every day that you have to do only. Clear?
Sir, I thought to only read and to underline.
Sir, I also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And sir, today today I'm going to the session. So today I will brought my worksheet.
Okay, no problem. Then show me what you have underlined. Show me your textbook. Fast. Switch on the camera. At least that should be shown. Okay. Yes, starting from Tripti. Yes, Tripti. Fast. Yes. Tripti.
Hello, sir. You can see?
No.
Hello?
No, beta.
Sir, I am seeing.
You are not visible. You are not means your camera. I cannot see you. No, it's not visible. It's not visible.
Sir, 1 minute.
Somebody is making noise in between. Beta, Sneha, check it properly. Who is that disturbing in between?
Sir, she was Sneha only.
Yes. Sneha, switch off your mic.
Sir, my mic is only off.
I can hear some noise. Background. I am proper.
Sir,
Sir, your voice is stuck.
sir, I am audible,
Yes.
sir.
Sir, and you
Now
are
I
also
can
stuck.
show my homework. Sir, I'm Jalak. I can show my homework.
Yes, of course.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Jalak. Yes, yes, beta. Jalak, continue.
Sir, I am
Jalak.
visible. Sir, I am
Haan.
visible.
No, beta. Wait, I will switch off my camera. Yes,
Okay, sir.
she is visible only.
I have. Yes, I have switched off my camera. Okay, I have switched off my camera. Okay.
Okay,
Now?
sir, I am visible.
No, beta. I can hear your voice properly. Your voice is audible.
Sir, she is
Sir.
visible. And on only. Yes, sir, I am also seeing Jhalak.
Then I don't know why, beta. I think this
Sir,
is
may sir,
from my. I am.
sir,
having
I
network
can give
issue,
you
I think.
homework on WhatsApp.
Yes. So beta,
I
write
can
the
give
name.
home-
Sneha.
Okay.
Jalak, write the name. Write name of Jalak.
Yes, sir.
In the name WhatsApp list. Okay. In WhatsApp list, you have to write the name of Jalak. Okay. Next. Once again. What's the time, beta? We have to move fast. Okay. Next, who will show? Here Agara. Here Agara, beta. Show me. Here Agara. Here Agara. Here Agara, beta, here. Here Agara. Yes, beta. Here Agara. Here is not replying. Acha, you are not done. Why, beta? Here. Why have you not done? Give the reason. Yes. Write it down in the chat box. Why have you not done? Why have you not done? You don't know. You don't know why have you not done? You don't know means what you don't know, beta?
Sir, she is telling that she don't know what was the homework.
Acha. What was the homework you don't know? Means are you regular? Are you regular? You don't know. Beta, you don't know you are not regular? Acha, you are regular. Okay, fine. Then okay. No problem. Here you can send your you can send tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow just try to complete the worksheet better. Read the textbook properly, and you have to up till which topic we have completed? We have completed up till what topic?
Debate in the Legislative Assembly.
No, not debate. Beta. It is debate.
Sir, debate in the legislative assembly.
Debate.
Debate in the Legislative Assembly.
बेटा आप 11th स्टैंडर्ड में पहुंच गए. आर यू गोइंग टू डू अकाउंट्स? अकाउंट्स में डेबिट क्रेडिट आता है. ओके, वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट. वी आर एक्चुअली कंटिन्यूइंग विथ यू आर इन 7th स्टैंडर्ड, नो? So it is debate. Okay, if you don't know the pronunciation, you can ask me, no problem. Okay, you can ask me, sir, how do we pronounce this? But don't pronounce wrong. Okay, if you have doubt, then you can ask me. Clear? I will clear your doubt. Okay, fine. Now, okay, beta. Now here tomorrow you send me. Okay. So
Okay,
today
sir.
now. Kunjesh Pandit, show me the homework fast. Fast. It's already 11:30. Fast.
Yes, sir.
Beta, show me your homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Fast. Let me see whether I can, whether you are visible or not. Wait. First, wait, beta, Gunjan. Kunjesh is showing, no? Yes, Kunjesh, switch on your camera. Show me your homework.
Yes, my camera is on, sir.
Camera is on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think, but I will have to leave and join once again. So everyone be there. I will leave and join once again. Okay. Just give me time. Yes, Kunjesh. Now you can switch on your camera. Let me see whether you are visible or not. Kunjesh, beta. Switch on, switch on, switch on, switch on. Make it fast. We have to start our topic also. Today's topic. We have not
Yes,
started.
sir.
Make it.
सच में
अभी
सच
switch
में
on?
सर मेरा स्टार्ट ही है.
Sir,
Camera
he
is
is
on
not
only.
visible to me also.
सर लेफ्ट
So beta, you are not visible to anyone, not even to me. Kunjesh is always having network problem, no beta? Then how you can show? Kunjesh, yes, Kunjesh, you send have you done your homework? Have you done the homework?
Yes, sir. Sir, I send you.
Then you send
send
me-
you personal WhatsApp photos.
Yes, okay beta, okay. Sneha, write Kunjesh's name in WhatsApp list.
Okay, sir.
When you write the names of today, write the date, okay? Today's date you have to put, then you have to write the list of names of WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Every day.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now, next, one more student I need, then after we will go for today's class. Riya Bhatt. Riya Bhatt, can you show me beta? Riya Bhatt. Riya Bhatt. Riya Bhatt. Yes, Riya. Wait, Gunjan beta. Wait. Riya. Riya is not replying, I think so. Riya. Krisha. Yes, what is that? Why are you writing my? You want to show? Yes, so first let's go with Gunjan. Yes, Gunjan, yes, show me your homework fast. Switch on your camera. Let's see whether you are visible or not. Gunjan Raval, fast.
Sir, can
Then
I
after
write
Gunjan,
name of Riya?
Riya, yes, Riya is not replying, no? Did she reply in chat box?
Yes. No, sir.
No.
Sir,
Then write her
camera
name.
is on. I am visible. Yes, sir.
Yes, you are visible now. Gunjan, you are visible. Gunjan is visible. Okay, good. I can see you now. Okay. So when is a political party said to be in majority? Yes, again you have gone. Wait. When is a political party said to be in majority? What you have written the answer? Show me. Constituencies in state. Wait. Where is that answer starting? A political party whose MLAs have won more than half of the number. Is said to be in majority. Very good. Then what in definition what have you written? Opposition. In opposition what you have written? Let me read. Wait. Your screen has become. Swara, switch off your mic.
Sir, my mic is
Gunjan,
off only.
can you read that answer?
Yes, sir. The
Acha,
political
okay, no problem.
party that
Gunjan,
has
read
the
that
major-
answer.
The political party that has majority
Yes, read.
for other members called the opposition.
The political party that has that is not the opposition, sir. You are better.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Okay, that I will
Sir, your voice is lagging.
rub
Sir, your voice is lagging. Yes, sir, your voice is lagging.
Lagging. Okay. Gunjan, switch off your camera. Switch off your camera. Gunjan, I have seen. Okay, beta, good try. You have tried very well. No problem. After this, one more student, Krisha Rojmala. Krisha, show
Sir,
me.
can I show?
Homework, Krisha Rojmala.
Sir, may I show?
Wait. I asked Krisha, no? Beta, you Krisha? No, na? I asked Krisha Rojmala. Yes, Krisha. Wait. Krisha, can you hear me? Krisha. Yes, reply in the chat box.
Yes, sir, my camera is on only.
Yes, because you have written mine.
No,
yes,
sir, she is not visible.
What you written? No. Krisha, you again go on. Again, you are not visible. Screen all better. Your screen small.
Sir,
Now again
sir,
you are not visible.
sir,
Again you are not visible.
sir, sir, your voice is lagging.
Yes, beta. Yes, hearing you.
Sir,
Voice
your
is
voice
lagging.
is lagging.
Okay. So that's it for today, beta. That's it for today. Now I'm not going to check the homework. Just you listen to me. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so we were seeing about what were we seeing? The last topic was working of the government. Working of the government. Let's just continue from there. Okay. So did we start that topic, working of the government? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay, so today we can start because first let's recall what we have learned yesterday. In debate in Legislative Assembly, I have already given you 2 points. 3 points we have discussed. What was the 3 points? The first point is, first point was
What
MLA
is government?
No. MLAs ask questions, no? MLAs ask questions and they debate on what? They debate and they take decision on how much money is to be spent. Yes or no? How much expenses to be done. Okay, so these kind of decisions are taken in the Legislative Assembly. Then we have seen the definition of government. Yes or no? Who can say the definition of government? Yesterday we have discussed. Anyone who can say?
Sir, can I say?
Yes, of course. Say it fast. Don't waste time.
The word
Yes.
government refers to government department and various ministers who head them.
Very good. So this is the definition of government. So I hope that everyone has understood. Now second point, we have seen that Chief Minister and other ministers together, who is responsible to run the government? Who is responsible? CM and
Chief Minister
other ministers.
and other minister.
Other minister.
Yes, Chief Minister plus other ministers. They are responsible to run the government. Under whose leadership? Under the leadership of governor. Now, yesterday I gave you homework, no? To find out who is the governor of Gujarat. Did anyone found out? Yesterday gave or not? I did not give homework. Did I say it?
No,
Did I
no,
say
sir,
to,
you didn't say.
Acha, I think I have said in 7th A. Okay, no problem. So this is the homework for you for tomorrow. Tomorrow you have to.
I know.
You know? Yes, but tell me.
Sir, I also
who is the
know.
PM?
Sir, Acharya Devavrat.
Acharya Devrat.
Acharya Devrat.
Yes.
Acharya Devrat.
Sir, I also know.
Yes, but yes, it is Acharya Devrat. He is the chief minister, current chief minister. Okay, he is the current chief minister of Gujarat. Current chief minister of Gujarat, and who is the sorry?
Governor.
Okay, sorry, governor, not chief minister. Okay, listen.
And Vijay Rupani is chief minister.
Vijay Rupani is the chief minister of Gujarat, and Acharya Devrat is the governor of Gujarat. Okay, thank you, beta. Thank you for rectifying my error. Okay, good. So,
सर
yes, beta. Yes,
हमारे एग्जाम के मार्क्स कब आएंगे?
beta. Don't ask now. We don't have time to waste in those kind of discussion. You will get the marks in the group.
The Home Minister.
What, beta?
Pratap Singh Jadeja is Home Minister of Gujarat.
Yes, Pratap Singh Jadeja. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good, very good. So these information should be available and they are valid. It should be known to you better, because in the coming classes when you will learn this civics, then you should know these kind of things. Who is the chief minister, who is the home minister, who is the finance minister, who is like different ministers are there, no, those who work with chief minister. So you should be knowing this. And who is the governor of the state, who is the governor of, means every state you should know. It's not like of Gujarat. You should know that who is the governor of different states. Every state you should know. You should at least get an idea of that. Okay. So now let's continue. What did we discuss? Chief ministers plus other ministers run the government, or they are responsible. And the third point is all MLAs gather together in legislative assembly. They are known as what? They are known as all MLAs and chief minister. All MLAs who gather in legislative assembly are also known as what? I have written on the board. Yes?
Member of Legislative Assembly.
Members of.
No, I had written on the board.
Legislative. Sir, I
No,
said legislative.
Not legislative,
Sir, chief
legislature.
minister.
No,
Yes, sir, legislature.
Legislature. It is legislature. So all the MLAs who gather in the legislative assembly are known as legislature. Now if someone asks you what is legislature, then you have to answer like this way. The MLAs who gather in the legislative assembly or in the legislative body is known as the legislature. Clear? So these are the 3 points we have discussed in a debate in legislative assembly. Clear? Now the last topic of this chapter, that is what? Working of the government. Now we are going to see how the government works. Okay. We have time, we still have 15 to 16 minutes. Okay. So let's continue. The last topic. So probably today we can complete. So everyone listen. Working of the government. I hope that I am visible.
Yes, sir, you are visible. Yes, sir, you are properly visible.
Yes, sir.
So better now. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's continue. So what is the first point? The legislative assembly is not only in this point, first you need to understand that legislative assembly, that I am writing here LA, okay. Legislative assembly is not only the place where discussions or opinions or whatever decisions are made. It's not only legislative assembly is not only the place. There are different other medias where the discussions are held, where the opinions are given and taken. Which are they? Like a news channels.
Press conference.
Yes, news channels, then magazines, news channels, TV channels, newspapers, magazines, and other organizations. There are other organizations like different organizations are there, no? Like TV channels are there, NDTV India, Arts, like this way. These are medias. Okay. So social medias are also kind of place where discussions are made, different decisions are taken, different opinions are given and taken. So these things are directly then forwarded to the Legislative Assembly, where they accept the opinions and then they take a final decision in the Legislative Assembly. So this is the first point you should understand in working of the government. So how the government works? First they take the opinions of the yes, from the medias also. In medias also, you might have seen in news channel. Have you seen in news channel that they discuss on a particular topic?
Yes, sir.
Few 2-3 ministers, they gather together and they
Yes, sir, yes.
talk in one topic with the news reporter. News reporter will say something, will ask them something, and they will start giving opinions. Yes or no? So this you might have seen in Aaj Tak, in News 24, and whatever channels are there. If you see news, then only you will be knowing these kind of things. Okay, so this is what? This is the first thing you should know, that Legislative Assembly is not only a place where decisions and all these things are done. Okay, there are some other medias also, newspapers, TV channels, okay, and different organizations where the decisions are taken. Clear? So that is the first point. Okay, I have not written that. Okay, let's write it in short. Okay, is not only the place where the decisions can you see here? Opinion are.
So we want to write.
No, you can take screenshot later, not now. But yes, you have to write in fair notebook, not now, afterwards. But this you can take screenshot now. Now don't sit for writing, you won't have time. So Legislative Assembly is not only the place where decisions, opinions are given or they are not the place where it is expressed or opinions are expressed, but expressed or given or taken, we can say. Okay, but there are TV channels. Can you see this?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, sir.
Then TV
Yes,
channels
sir,
is
we
there.
can see easily.
Okay, newspapers, etc. Okay, where the decisions, opinions, etc. are been expressed. Okay, not only in Legislative Assembly. Clear? This is the first point. Now second point. There are 4 points. Only 4 points you need to know in this topic. Okay, this is the first one. Now second one. What is the second point? Yes. Now after these discussions are taken or done or expressed, after the decisions are taken. Yes. Let's see. After the decisions are taken or expressed, the taken press conferences or press conference is held. For what? Press conference is held by who? By a particular minister. It can be any minister. Okay, a particular minister. And then what do they do? And what? Yes, what do the ministers do? Who explains?
Sir?
Yes. Yes, beta.
Sir, this time no activity is there to write in activity book.
Yes, beta, I know that. I am planning to give it after the chapter. Okay, don't worry, you will get it. Okay. You will get it, beta. Okay. So what does the minister do? Minister who explains. What does he do? He explains the steps taken by the government. First, after this, Right, you can take a screenshot of these 2 points, then 2 more points I have to write down. Yes, now take the screenshot. Did you understand the second point? After first point is Legislative Assembly is not only the place where the decisions, opinions are expressed, but there are TV channels, newspapers, etc., where the decisions are also taken or expressed. Now, second is, after these decisions are made, this is related to the first point. Okay, second point is related to the first point. After the decisions are made, then what happens? Next step is the press conference is held. A press conference, have you seen press conference? What happens in press conference? Yes, the ministers sit in a row, okay, here like this way, and the media people come and ask them questions regarding what are the steps taken by the government on a particular plan. Okay, are you getting me what I am saying?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
seen it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You might have seen press conferences you might have seen in movies also, and whereas in news channels also you might have seen various.
Sir. Sir, leave? Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir, leave.
Now only 6 minutes left.
But sir will join. Sir will explain this topic today.
Yes, sir. Chalo. And also homework and attendance also remaining.
That will be, if that will be not happen, it's okay. But our important topic is remaining.
Yes.
Sir has joined.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Connected to the Bluetooth. Now you can speak. Beta, sorry for the inconvenience. I am having
It's
this
okay, sir.
network issue. Hai I hope you can understand. The class was going on very smooth. In between, this network has network is
So
like a
what is
villain.
homework?
No?
Only 5 minutes left.
Yes. Wait, beta.
Sir, please explain topic.
Yes. Which topic, beta? You have up till now understood what I was saying. Am I visible? Can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, beta. Someone was saying, sir, explain. Yes, which one, beta? Which point? Shall I explain this again?
No, sir. No, sir.
Shall I explain? Then
No,
what
sir. I am
somebody was
saying that.
Huh?
Sir, Snehai mein.
Yes, beta. Say what you were saying.
Sir, I am saying
What you are
that
about to
when this chapter will over.
So this is the last topic. Now after 2 more points are there. 2 more points are there. for you to know in this topic, then the chapter is over. Okay.
Sir, what is on
Just give-
only 4 minutes
Sir.
left?
Sir,
Wait,
I
wait,
want to
beta.
take screenshot.
Wait. So take screenshot fast. Take the screenshot.
Sir,
Sir,
Yes.
निन्नी बड़ा लगी सर
Yes.
sir attendance सर मैंने अटेंडेंस के स्क्रीनशॉट ले ली.
Thank you, beta. Did you take screenshot of this?
सर मैंने
Maitri?
ले ली है.
Maitri.
Sir. सर मैंने ले ली है.
Okay. Thank you, बच्चे. Okay. Now everyone mute your mic. Everyone mute your mic. बेटा आपका last lecture कब है? 12:10 को है ना? It is on 12:10. So
Yes,
give me
sir.
5 more minutes. Within 5 minutes we can complete. Okay. Okay. Within 5
सर
minutes
आ
we can
जाना
complete the
कंप्लीट करके दो.
Yes. Today we have to complete. So is the screenshot taken? Sneha, mute your mic. Is it complete? Can you? Did you take the screenshot?
Yes sir.
Okay. So I am rubbing this. Now don't tell me. Okay. Now 2 more points to be understood in this topic, beta. Yes. Then after we can continue. Yes. Okay. Now the third point. Listen. Third point that I was about to say is, okay, second point, what was the second point? After the discussion is made, press conference is held. In that press conference, what do? They ask questions to the minister regarding the steps taken by the government. Clear? That is done. Now third point is, the government can also decide to make new laws. Yes, this is very important one. What does the government do? The government, yes, write it down. Okay, take screenshot after when I write. The government, yes, also decides and take the government also decides to make new decisions. Make new decisions about what? Sorry, not decisions, new laws. Beta, makes new laws, okay. Hello?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Screen is visible?
No sir. No sir. Yes sir. It is visible. Sir, it is visible. So what
Beta,
is today's homework?
Wait, chapter is over, not over no. Okay, let me
No,
complete.
sir.
The third point. New government, the government also decides to make new laws on what? For what? State regarding, for the state, new laws for the state, because we are learning about which government? State government. For the state regarding, after this one more point is there, that is the last point, then we can complete the chapter. State regarding the sanitation. Now do you know better what do you mean by sanitation?
No, sir.
Yes, what do you mean by sanitation? Sanitation means providing good health, cleanliness around, okay, especially in matter of water. Water should be, the pure water should be made available to the entire citizens. That is sanitation. Sanitation. Sanitation means, yes, proper water facilities should be available. Means water should be clean. Okay. So there should be cleanliness around. Surroundings should be clean. That is what sanitation means. Okay. So what does the government also decides to make new laws? What does the government do? Government decides, this we are learning about working. How is it working? This is the third step. Government decides to make new laws for the state regarding what? Regarding sanitation. What do you mean by sanitation? I already explained. Sanitation and what? Health facilities. Health facilities. Okay, clear? This is clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and who implements them? Who implements them? Various government departments. Various government departments implements them. Implement them. Clear? Is it clear? This is the third point. Now the last point, last but not the least. After this we can complete the chapter. Whenever the government fails, now see, when the government fails. Now what, this is a question in your mind, no? Okay, all these things are done by government. Now what if government fails to do this or fails to satisfy the needs? Then what is the next step? What happens? When the government fails to satisfy the needs, then what happens? Listen, I am writing, satisfy the needs, they organize meetings. What do they organize? Meetings. Like say, in the legislative assembly, they organize a meeting and to voice their opinions. To voice their opinions means they will hear their opinions. They will hear their opinions given by the people, means what are problems they have. What are problems and difficulties?
Sir, you are not visible.
Wait, it will come. My screen timing is very less, that's why. Wait. Now see, their opinions and they protest against the government. Against the government. Yes, that's it. This is the, can you see till here? Is it visible? So this is the third. This is the third and the fourth point. Take the screenshot fast. Then I will explain once again all the 4 points. Then we can leave. Okay, it's 12:05 now. You have 5 more minutes. Within 2 minutes I will explain the 4. Is it done?
Yes,
Everyone?
sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so yes, now we have completed the chapter. Now let's recall these 4 points once again. Everyone listen. Only 2 minutes I will take. After that, and what is the homework? Let me tell you. What is the homework? Simple. We have completed the chapter. Now what you have to do? You have to complete your worksheet. Okay? Try to
Yes,
complete
sir.
the worksheet. And by tomorrow I will the worksheet.
Sir,
PDF.
we will.
Topic.
Huh?
Sir, there is one more topic, wallpaper project in the chapter.
What better?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There is wallpaper
Yes,
project.
sir. In page number
Sir, wallpaper
39.
project.
Acha, okay, that is not exactly not related to the chapter. Whatever main things we had to learn, that we have already learned. That is just to make you understand what was the wallpaper project. It is not exactly related, just to make you understand. Okay, that we will read tomorrow. We will just read tomorrow and
Sure.
we will understand what is that. Okay. हाँ. Otherwise the main topics and everything is over. हाँ. Yes beta.
Sir, you will send words that matters, no?
Yes, I will send beta. I will send beta. Don't worry. Okay. हाँ. Listen now. Listen. Working of the government. Once again, let's revise. Only 2 minutes I will take. The first point what we have seen. Okay, I have already rubbed that. Once again, the Legislative Assembly is not only the place where the decisions, opinions are given or taken, but there are other medias, like for example what? TV channels, newspapers, magazines and other organizations which also take part in the decision making and the opinions. Okay, that is the first point. Second point was, after the discussion is made, then after the discussions, yes, a press conference is held. Press conference is held by whom? By the ministers. Okay. And what is decided? What is taken place in that press conference? Yes, the medias or the other medias, they will ask the
Good
ministers
afternoon, sir.
what are the steps taken in the government. 8th standard students leave the class, join after 5 minutes. Okay. 8th standard students, everyone leave. 7th standard students, please stay. Okay, only 2 minutes I am taking. So that was the second point. Third point was, the government can also decide to make new laws. What do? They make new laws for the states regarding what? Sanitation. Sanitation means providing good water facilities, and not only water facilities, regarding the cleanliness of the nation should be clean, and the health facilities should be also provided, and various government departments take the responsibility of that. Now, last point, when the government fails to do any or satisfy the needs of the people, then what happens? They organize meetings, and then what do? They voice their opinion. Voice their opinion means they hear their opinions of the people, or what they have suffered, or what was their loss, what are the difficulties that they have faced. They hear that and they protest against the government. Okay, they protest against the government, and this way government takes action. After the protesting of the people, then the government takes action towards what they have experienced. Clear? So this is what done. I hope that everyone has understood. Yes or no? Everyone has understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Sorry, beta, I have taken your time. 5 minutes, 5 to 10
No,
minutes. I have
sir, no
taken.
problem.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Because we had to complete. No, that's why. Okay. So finally we have completed, and yes. Beta, can someone take the screenshot and
Sir, I has taken and also sent to you.
means attendance, beta.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I had also
अच्छा.
taken.
Sir,
अच्छा,
I
बेटा 3-4
also
नहीं चाहिए, only
sent.
one.
Sir, मैंने
problem.
send
Okay,
because
anyway,
दिया.
I will complete it. Okay, beta, thank you so much, and that's it for today.
So,
Complete your work today. Actual question answers. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, beta.
Thank
See
you, sir,
you.
for teaching us.
That's it.
Bye,
have
sir.
a nice day. Mary, Gunjan,
Bye, sir.
Arzu, everyone. Dia, Niramara. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Hi, sir.
Bye.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
beta. See you.
Thank you, sir, for teaching
Welcome,
us. Hope
beta.
you have a good day, sir.
Same to you, bache. Okay, fine.